Introduction. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we delve into the world of effective public speaking. In this video, we will share 5 valuable tips to help you enhance your public speaking skills and captivate your audience. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone seeking to improve your communication abilities, these tips will serve as a valuable resource to boost your confidence and make a lasting impression. 1. Prepare and practice. Discover the power of thorough preparation and practice in delivering a successful speech. We'll guide you through the process of researching your topic, organizing your thoughts, and creating a well-structured speech. Learn how practicing your delivery can enhance your confidence, polish your performance, and ensure a seamless delivery on the big day. 2. Know your audience. Understanding your audience is key to connecting with them effectively. We'll explore techniques to identify the interests, knowledge level, and demographics of your audience, allowing you to tailor your speech accordingly. By customizing your message to resonate with your listeners, you'll engage and captivate them from start to finish. 3. Master body language and vocal delivery. Discover the importance of nonverbal communication in public speaking. We'll provide practical tips on how to utilize your body language, such as maintaining strong posture, making eye contact, and incorporating appropriate gestures. Additionally, we'll delve into vocal delivery techniques, including varying your tone, pace, and volume to add impact and captivate your audience. 4. Effective use of visual aids. Visual aids can greatly enhance your speech, but using them correctly is crucial. We'll explore strategies to create visually appealing and informative slides or props that support your message rather than distract from it. By utilizing visual aids effectively, you'll engage your audience and help them better understand and remember your key points. 5. Engage and connect with your audience. Building a connection with your audience is the hallmark of a skilled public speaker. We'll guide you through techniques to encourage interaction, such as asking thought-provoking questions, inviting participation, and incorporating interactive elements. You'll learn how to read your audience's reactions and adjust your delivery accordingly, leaving a lasting impact on their minds. Conclusion. Mastering the art of public speaking is within your reach. By implementing these 5 tips, you'll gain the confidence and skills necessary to deliver powerful and persuasive speeches. Join us on this journey to becoming a skilled communicator and leave a lasting impression on any audience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on public speaking and communication mastery.